everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna make some brownies. So let's get started. First, you're gonna need just a regular mixing bowl, and I have also already started preheating my oven to 350 degrees. So the first step is to take a half a cup of butter, and that's a pretty easy measurement because it's just a stick of butter. And if you kind of turn it around, you can kind of see that the measurements are already there. So what I'm gonna do is just open up this stick of butter and melt it. All right, so my half a stick of butter is basically melted. I'm just gonna whisk it a little bit to finish melting the other pieces that didn't just melt in the microwave. Okay, so then your next step is to grab 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we start whisking this. Now once you have this whisked up together, you're going to incorporate your dry ingredients. A half cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So next I'm gonna add some dark chocolate chips, and I'm just kind of not really measuring this as much. As well as some walnuts. So fold in your chocolate chips and walnuts. Once that's done, you have this and you pop it into the oven. So after 30 minutes, take your brownies out of the pan. Make sure that when you stick a toothpick in that it comes out clean so you know it's cooked. And once you let it cool for about 10 to 20 minutes, when it's easier to the touch, you wanna cut and pop out. Thanks for watching my video.